Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Shopping for the best home decor on Amazon offers an extensive and convenient solution for enhancing every room in your home. For the bedroom, explore cozy blending sets, stylish furniture, and ambient lighting that create a serene retreat. Upgrade your dining area with modern tableware, chic dining chairs, and elegant table liners, perfect for both everyday meals and special occasions. In the kids' room, find playful decor, vibrant rugs, and imaginative wall decors that spark creativity and joy. Amazon's wall art collection caters to all the tastes from classic paintings and contemporary prints to unique tapestries and 3D sculptures, allowing you to express your personal style. The platform's vast selection, coupled with detailed user review and ratings, ensures you can find high quality items that suit your preferences and budget. Additionally, Amazon's fast delivery and hassle free returns make shopping for home decor a seamless experience. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement or add subtle touches, Amazon's home decor offerings can transform your living space into a beautifully curated heaven. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.